Welcome to this step-by-step guide to AWS Amplify S3 integration. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of integrating AWS Amplify with Amazon S3. First we need to create an AWS account and set up an Amazon S3 bucket. To do this, navigate to the AWS Management Console and sign into your account. Then click on the S3 tab and select Create Bucket. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select a region. Next we need to set up an AWS Amplify project. To do this, navigate to the AWS Amplify console and select Get Started. Then choose the platform you are using and follow the prompts to set up your project. Once your project is set up, we need to install the AWS Amplify CLI. To do this, navigate to the terminal and run the command npm install AWS Amplify CLI. Then we need to configure the AWS Amplify CLI by running the command amplify configure. This will prompt you to sign in to your AWS account and select the region where your S3 bucket is located. Next we need to add the S3 plugin to our AWS Amplify project. To do this, navigate to the terminal and run the command amplify add storage. Then select the S3 option and follow the prompts to configure the plugin. After the plugin is configured, we need to push the changes to our AWS Amplify project. To do this, navigate to the terminal and run the command amplify push. Now that our AWS Amplify project is integrated with Amazon S3, we can start using the S3 bucket in our application. To do this, we need to import the AWS Amplify library and use the S3 API to interact with the bucket. Best practices for using AWS Amplify with Amazon S3 include using IAM roles to control access to the S3 bucket and using versioning to track changes to the bucket. It is also a good idea to use a bucket policy to define the permissions for the bucket. In conclusion, integrating AWS Amplify with Amazon S3 is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Amazon S3 in your AWS Amplify project and take advantage of the scalability and reliability of the AWS cloud.